Hey there, job seekers, welcome back to Placements Nepal, your go to channel for exciting job opportunities. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest job openings. Today, we have an incredible opportunity that you don't want to miss. Are you an aspiring software quality assurance tester with a keen eye for detail and passion for collaboration? Look no further. We are thrilled to announce TechGrow's 3-month immersive software quality assurance internship program, and it's open for applications now. During this internship, you'll dive into the dynamic world of software testing and quality assurance. Get ready to get hands-on experience in ensuring the functionality and reliability of web and mobile applications. This is your chance to broaden your horizons and explore the exciting field of software quality assurance. But wait, there's more. For exceptional interns who show outstanding skills, there is even a possibility of permanent employment. So seize this opportunity to kickstart your career in the software testing industry. As a software quality assurance intern at TechGrow, you'll play a vital role in ensuring the smooth functioning of web applications. Here are some of the exciting responsibilities that await you: executing test cases and meticulously documenting test results, identifying and reporting software defects and inconsistencies with precision, collaborating with cross-functional teams including developers and product managers to understand requirements and ensure comprehensive test coverage, utilizing both manual and automation tools to deliver top-notch web applications, participating in test plans and case reviews to provide valuable feedbacks and improve test effectiveness, assisting in the creation and maintenance of test data and test environment, conducting regression testing to ensure software releases stability, contributing to the development and enhancement of test automation frameworks and tools, being an active participant in team meetings and providing status updates on testing activities, continuously learning and staying updated on industry best practices and emerging trends in software quality assurance. To make the most out of this internship opportunity, here are the requirements they are looking for: familiarity with working alongside software developer, engineers, and business analysts to deliver projects across the full software development lifecycle, experience in performing and managing testing activities using Jira or similar alternatives, hands-on experience and technical skills in Selenium for automation testing, ability to conduct user acceptance tests, proficiency in writing test cases and developing test plans. At TechGrow, they value teamwork and positive work environment. Here are some key behavioral skills they look for in their interns: proficient in spoken and written English to ensure effective communication, excellent organizational and communication skills, both written and verbal, willingness to learn and develop leadership skills while also being a great team player. So how can you apply to this job? I provided the application link in the video description. Click on that and you can come to this interface. This is an easy apply given by LinkedIn. So click on easy apply. All your detail will be pasted from your profile and you can directly submit the application. So there you have it, aspiring software quality assurance testers. If you are ready to take your skills to the next level and gain invaluable experience, don't miss this fantastic opportunity. Apply to take Grow's 3-month internship software quality assurance internship now. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Placement Step for more exciting job opportunities. Also hit that notification bell if you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning and best of luck with your application. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep chasing your dreams, excelling in your career. Take care.